Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in North Carolina on the Ranger RCI 69 base. I apologize for the glare there. The glass is so crystal clear it's reflecting off my shirt. Well, let's start with the RF power all the way down for you, Michael. 50 watt slug. Got you at 1 watt in case you decide to run amp, you got full adjustability. 11.5 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 40-42 bird average. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello, hello, hello. And about 98 PEP. Yeah, she's a pretty hot one there. Every now and we get one, it'll bump up there close to 100 or so with spectral purity still intact. And this is one of them. Michael, get this out to you as well as your Antron 99, your RG213 cable, okay? Thank you, sir. If you get a chance, leave us a 5-star review on Google. And maybe a little comment. Most definitely would be appreciated. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.